Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your Gmail password. Let's get started. Open up your browser. In the search bar, simply search for gmail.com. Once you search for it, simply log into your account. And once you're logged into your account, simply tap on your profile icon. Then tap on Manage your Google account. Inside here, select Security and Sign In. And under How you sign in to your Google account, scroll below. Then click on the Password section. Google may ask you to sign in again for security reasons, so go ahead and simply sign in to your account. And just like that, in the new password field, type in the password you want to use. Then type it again to confirm new password field. After that, make sure your password is strong and secure. When you're done, tap on Change Password. Google will show you a confirmation screen and then click Change Password again if prompted. Your Gmail password is now successfully updated. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.